Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our fantastic listeners. It's wonderful to be here with you today.
It's always great to see you, Adam, but are you okay? You look like you're moving a little slowly today.
Oh, Emily, you noticed. Yes, I am moving slowly. My legs hurt.
Your legs hurt? Why? Did you fall?
No. I went to the gym yesterday.
Ah, the gym.
Yes, I decided to start exercising again. I lifted weights, I ran on the treadmill.
Wow, good for you, Adam.
Thank you. But today, ouch, my muscles are very angry with me.
I understand, but you know the famous saying, right?
Which saying?
No pain, no gain.
Ah, yes, no pain, no gain. It is a very famous phrase in English.
And it is perfect for our topic today.
Oh, what is our topic?
Today we are talking about doing difficult things, fitness and English learning.
Fitness and English? That's an interesting combination.
Yes, because learning English is just like going to the gym.
I think I get it. But before we talk about muscles and grammar, we have a favor to ask.
Yes. If you enjoy our podcast, please subscribe to the channel and give us a like. It really helps us reach more students like you.
And share this episode with your friends who go to the gym or study English.
Exactly. Okay, Adam, now tell us. The gym was hard, right?
It was very hard. I was sweating, I was tired, and I wanted to stop.
But you didn't stop. Why?
Because I want to be healthy. I want to be strong.
Exactly. You want the result, the gain.
Yes, the pain is the tired muscles. The gain is a stronger body.
Perfect. Now think about learning English.
Okay. And honestly, learning English is not always easy and fun.
That's true.
Sometimes it's fun. I like talking to you. I like watching English movies. But sometimes it is hard, like memorizing irregular verbs. That is painful.
Yes. Irregular verbs are like lifting heavy weights.
And grammar rules. Sometimes my brain feels tired the same way my legs feel tired today.
That is a perfect comparison. Your brain is a muscle.
My brain is a muscle. I like that.
When you study English, you are exercising your brain.
So if my head hurts a little after studying, that is good pain.
Exactly. It means you are learning. No pain, no gain.
If you only do easy things, you don't grow.
Exactly. If you only say hello and goodbye, you don't learn real English.
The scary part of the gym is looking foolish.
Yes. Maybe you don't know how to use a machine or you drop the weights.
Very embarrassing.
And the scary part of English?
Speaking. Definitely speaking. Why?
Because I might make mistakes. People might not understand me. It feels uncomfortable.
Yes, but discomfort means growth. If you are scared to speak, you won't improve.
Feel the fear and do it anyway.
That's powerful.
Exactly. The nervousness you feel is the sweat of learning English.
The sweat of learning English. I love that.
So, let's give our listeners some tips. How can they train like an English athlete?
Consistency means doing it regularly. You cannot go to the gym one time and get strong.
Yes, and you cannot study English only on Sunday for 5 hours and then stop.
It's better to study 20 minutes every day, a small workout for the brain.
Don't skip English leg day.
Grammar is leg day. Writing is leg day.
Yes, videos are fun, but they are easy. Real progress comes from the hard practice.
Finally, a tip I like. Rest.
Yes, muscles grow when you sleep. Your brain also needs rest. Without rest, you forget everything.
Burnout. Yes, I know that feeling.
At the gym, when you see someone lifting huge weights, you feel weak.
Yes, I feel small sometimes.
The same happens in English. You hear fluent speakers and think your English is terrible, but everyone starts at the beginning.
Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 20.
Exactly. Focus on your journey. If you learned 5 new words today, that is a win.
The gain is amazing. Speaking fluently, traveling, making new friends, understanding movies, getting a better job, expressing your true personality.
Exactly. These are worth the small pain of learning.
I'm motivated now. I want to work out, both physical and mental.
Listeners, we want you to feel proud. Don't run away from the difficult parts of English. Run toward them.
Embrace the challenge.
Tell us in the comments, what is your pain in English? What is the hardest part for you?
And also tell us your gain. Why are you studying English?
We love reading your stories. Please subscribe so you don't miss our next English workout session.
Keep practicing, keep moving, keep learning.
No pain, no gain. See you next time.
Bye for now and good luck.